How is it going, everybody? My name is Vu, and in this video we are going to talk about the 3 easiest ways for you to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss out on thousands and thousands of dollars. And also I'm going to show you guys how I use these methods to build up a company of over 20 employees. Alright, before we start, if you learn anything new from this video or want to see more content like this, make sure you hit that thumbs up button to support this channel. The first way to earn passive income with crypto is my favorite and how I started in crypto. It is crypto mining. What is crypto mining? Basically, you earn crypto for solving math problems for the network and validate transactions, and then you get paid in their respective coin like Ethereum or Bitcoin. Sounds easy, right? Except for the math part, but don't worry. You don't have to calculate with this, you use this. This, my friends, is a graphic card or GPU, and it does all the calculation for you. The only thing you have to provide is electricity. With that being said, let me introduce you to my employees. Alright guys, meet my employees. Hardworking, talented math geniuses that make me money. But yeah guys, jokes aside, these are my 3 mining rigs. I have around 1.5 gigahash currently with my PC and another GPU hooked up to it. And yeah, these just run 24/7 and earn me money. And they also look pretty cool, especially these 3 cards. It is a little loud and a little warm, but I can cope with it. I mean, for what they do for me, I'm not worried. So as you saw, I'm a small miner with just 1.5 gigahash, but there are people or even companies with huge farms out there that earn probably $1 million a day. That is crazy. They are swimming in money. So GPU and ASIC mining has a high paywall to get into. I mean, just this one unit costs you $1,000, and you would probably want to buy more than just one. And why I got started is crypto was rising the whole time when I got started into crypto, and I didn't want to invest at the top. And so in my head, I went the safe route with buying GPU. So if crypto keeps rising, I'll make more money with the GPU, and if it crashes, I'll make less, but I would still earn money, so I wouldn't be at a loss. So that's how I got started. Of course, there's still risk involved with GPU mining. If the electricity cost outweighs the crypto you earn, mining would basically be unprofitable. So this could happen if way too many people join the network, or the crypto just crashes and the value is so low that it doesn't pay off the electricity. If you like the idea of crypto mining but you are not sure about GPU mining, there are a lot of other ways to earn crypto with mining. For example, this thing here from Planet Watch, it measures the air quality around you and you get paid for it. I mean, I get paid like $100 per month, and this thing costs $180. So this thing is just really cool. Also, there's like helium mining, this beauty here. But yeah, both of these things are a whole other topic, and if you like to see more videos about these and other options of crypto mining, make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'll keep you guys updated. Coming to the second way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. And this is as easy as it gets, guys. You basically just put money in a bank and earn interest with it. And it is crypto staking. So there are different methods of staking, like proof of stake, where you just hold crypto in your wallet and get paid crypto for helping the network validate transactions. And the other method, which we are going to talk about, is staking on platforms like Binance or crypto.com. So there are different methods of staking, like proof of stake with Cardano or Algorand, where you earn crypto just by holding it in a wallet like Exodus or Ledger, and you earn crypto by validating transactions just by holding it on your wallet. And the other method is, which we are going to talk about, is staking crypto on crypto.com or Binance. Personally, I like Crypto.com the most since it is so easy and it has so many great benefits with the Crypto.com Visa card as well, where you get cash back on any purchase and get Netflix for free, Spotify. You don't get it for free, you get paid the same amount back in crypto. But yeah, and guys, you earn 12% or even up to 14% for staking stable coins like USDC, which literally is US dollars just in crypto, so it doesn't lose value. So if you think about it, 12 to 14%, that beats the S&P 500, and there are so many people out there that have thousands and 100,000s of dollars in their bank getting interest of 0%. And with 12 to 14%, I mean, if you stake 10,000 and stake $500 every month in 10 years, you would have $150,000. That is with $80,000 profit. That is at an average $8,000 extra per year. That is a lot. And if you stake 20 years and compounding kicks in, guys, you would have $600,000. And of these $600,000, you would have only invested $130,000. That is $470,000 in profit. That is $25,000 a month, a year. Extra. A month would be great. $25,000 a year extra. That is crazy, guys. And guys, if you stake $100,000 at the beginning, of course, not everyone has $100,000 lying around, but if you have 100,000, if you stake 100,000 and put $500 each month in 20 years, you would have $1.6 million. That is crazy, guys. So compounding, it is a thing. If you don't take advantage of it, you're missing out. So let me show you guys the app so you can see how easy it is to earn money with crypto. Alright. Oh wow, Bitcoin is going to hit 50k. Guys, we are going to the moon. Okay, so you just go into the middle. You have your crypto card, Visa card here. And if you just click on earn, and here you can see all the different coins you can stake on crypto.com. And if we click on Ethereum, for example, I can get 5.5% if I stake Ethereum for 3 months. And it can get up even higher if you stake more CRO, like the token of crypto.com. The higher you stake, the more benefits you get on the Visa card and on the cashback as well. With the Ruby, I'm currently getting 2% cashback on every purchase, which is great, and I've earned so much money already through this credit card. And the higher you stake, the higher it goes, and it goes up to 5% cashback, which is crazy. 5% cashback on every purchase, and the cashback is paid in CRO, but you can transfer and convert it to Bitcoin or just fiat money every time when you need it. And yeah, it is as easy as it gets. You would just click on it, continue, click on this, and then you can choose the Ethereum you want to stake. I already staked all my Ethereum, and this is the staking reward I just got. So yeah, it is extremely easy. Also, you can use my referral link for crypto.com below, and you will get $25 immediately just for staking on crypto.com. Coming to the third way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency is lending. There are different platforms for lending. I personally like Ledger or BlockFi the most. And BlockFi has a credit card as well, where you can earn 3.5% on every purchase. And I'll be uploading a video comparing all the different crypto credit cards soon. So make sure you subscribe to get updates once I upload them. And you earn up to 7.5% APY for lending crypto. And for lending Bitcoin, for 1 Bitcoin for 10 years, you earn $12,000 in 10 years. And this doesn't account compounding at all. So you would get a lot more after 10 years. And yeah, BlockFi is a great platform to lend out your crypto. It is really safe since you would lend to big institutions only and don't lend to just one person. And this is why I prefer BlockFi for lending out my cryptocurrency. So these are all great options to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. I personally use all of those. I use the coins and crypto I earn with my GPUs and put it into crypto.com, and I earn interest on those coins. So I basically earn passive income with my passive income. With that being said, I really hope you liked this video and learned something from it. If you did, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you get updates in the future. I hope you guys have a great day and see you next time.